Hello friends, good morning. I'm Dr. Jairam, consultant family physician. So today we are going to discuss a new update on the COVID vaccine, COVID drug, which is newly gotten emergency use approval by the Indian government as well as it was also got approval in many other countries like US, UK. All the countries has got the emergency use approval. Even recently, the FDA also got this approval. So, what is this new drug? It is developed by the American biotechnology-based company. It is called Regeneron company, which has developed this new drug, and it is a cocktail which we call it as antibody cocktail. They are calling it as antibody cocktail. And what are the two drugs which has been developed was casirivimab and imdevimab. So both are monoclonal antibodies, so which was developed by the biotechnology company, and now the India Cipla company has got the tie-up for launching this drug with Roche, the pharmaceutical company, tying up with both, and they are going to introduce it to India. So this is an important update for this, and how this will be beneficial for the people, and what is the cost of this medicine, and to which category of COVID patients will it is going to help. So all these three things we are going to see in this video. So try to watch completely so that you will know the new information which is going to be spoken within a week of time. So this drug is going to be spoken well. So the three drugs. So the important thing is first we have to know the Cipla company is going to do the production and distribution across India. So this is what we are going to see, and first important thing is how they have conducted the trials, how the study was done, and how it has got approval. Actually, they have recruited 799 people for the study. It is a double-blind randomized control study and placebo controlled, and it has been used 799 people. Among the 799 people, the drug they have splitted into three groups, and one group will receive this drug casirivimab and imdevimab. So both the drugs will be receiving one group, and one group will have the placebo, and the other group will have both the drug in the low dose. So all these three things will have we are looking after the outcome of the patients. So what they have understood was, after giving this drug, and they have given it to the mild and moderate people who are not on oxygen treatment. This is most important. They are not on oxygen treatment, and they have given this monoclonal antibody, the new drug. So what they are observing is within 28 days of time, whether they are getting admitted, whether they are following it up. So what is happening was, within 28 days, the population who has got the first medicine, like this two antibody medicine, as well as the other person who has got placebo. So in this first group, they have almost very 1 or 2% of the individuals only went to the hospital, but in the placebo group, there are more than 8% of the individual has went into the patient has hospitalized. So that is first point. And second point is about the medicine. They have followed up for a long while to see whether these patients are developing any symptoms and signs, and also whether they are deteriorating. All these things they have observed. So all this has been shown to have an improvement in case of the persons who is using this antibody cocktail. So this is an important thing. And apart from all these things, the recently FDA also has shown the approval by saying that emergency use approval for use of medicine against the person who is coming to an emergency or in the OPD clinics to use this medicine for the mild to moderate cases. This is an important thing. So in India, if it is going to produced by the Cipla, what would be the cost of this medicine? So the cost of the medicine, they are saying which would be around 59,750 rupees per dose, and for the patients who are at high risk. So this is what they are saying. So they are saying by mid-June this medicine would be now available in Indian market. So that is the thing. And in India, the CD, Central Drug Standards and Control Organization, has recently approved for the emergency use of this antibody cocktail. So this is a important breakthrough. So for the mild to moderate cases, so this would be a better thing. And the Roche Pharma, the managing director, CEO is Simpson. So he has also stated this, the use of medication which will reduce the burden in the healthcare system. So this would be a new update, and also a new drug which can be used against the SARS-CoV infection. And how is it, the mechanism of action of this drug? That is more important, which we have to understand. The mechanism of the drug is, so whenever this antibody is given, this is targeted against the spike protein of the coronavirus. This antibody will go and attach to that, and it will prevent the attachment of the virus to the cell. So what will happen, the antibody will go and attach to the SARS-CoV spike protein, and it will not allow the virus cell membrane to attach to the human cell. So this is how it will prevent. That is why they are advising it to use it early in mild and moderate infection, so that the progression and also the viremia will be reduced. So that is the idea behind the use of this new antibody cocktail. And we have to look for it and how it is going to be useful in the for the patients. We have, after giving it to the patients only, we will come to know how the drug efficacious and how it is going to be. But trials and the data has shown some benefit about in mild as well as in moderate patients. So we have to look forward for more of the antiviral medications and the treatment, so that we can progress in the line of treatment against the SARS-CoV pandemic. So this is going to be a little bit an advanced thing, so which they have developed, but the cost is on a little bit on the higher side. Though all the monoclonal antibodies would be on the price would be on the higher side. So I think this if you take one kit, it can be used for the 2 people. That is what they are saying in for this. And if 2 doses are there, it would cost somewhere around 1,10,000, something like that. And around for 1 dose, it would be around 56,000. This is what the Indian Cipla company is going to say. This is what the medicine is going to be benefit for all the people. So we will look forward for new research against the SARS-CoV and to fight against the SARS-CoV infection. And stay tuned and watch out new videos which I will keep posted, so that you will learn about the new updates in the medical fraternity, and it will be very useful for the recent updates as well. And thank you so much. Stay tuned. Thank you.